Do the choices show a way to represent the blocks? Choose yes or no. First, we need to count the blocks. And so each of these is a block. That's one block. And this entire strip is 10. So let's count the numbers of 10. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 tens. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 tens. So the way we can write it is like this. We have 20 tens. And 20 tens also means that we have 200 ones, or we can say we have 200s. So this line is 20 tens. This line is 200 ones. And this line means 200s. All three are the same. All three represent the same number of small blocks. For the hundreds, here's one set of 100 right here. This is 10 rows of 10, or 10 strips. So this first group, this first green group, this is 100. And this next group, this blue group here, this also is 10 groups of 10, or 10 strips. This also represents 100. So this is where our 200s come from. If we look at it as like a flat, we have 200s. If you look at this problem in terms of strips, if you focus on the 10 strips and count these 10 strips, we end up with 20 10 strips. And this is 20 10 strips. If we counted each of those small squares, we would end up with 200 small squares. So again, three different ways to represent these blocks. We can say we have 20 tens, 200 ones, or 200s. Three different ways to group those squares. And they all mean the same amount. So for problem A says 200 ones. Here's 200 ones, so that's a way to write this. Problem B reads 200s. That's another way to write that. So yes, that's correct. Problem C says 2 tens. 2 tens, the way we would actually write 2 tens would be this. 2 tens. And 2 tens would be like 21s. So D does not work. C does not work. So C is a no. So C is no.